So I'm in the Honda CR-V 2014, and one of the questions is what is D3 on this screen and on this lever, and how should you turn it on and turn it off. So let's start the car. And shift to D, and I will press this small button here under the shift release button, D3, and you can see the D3 on the display. This means that the D3 mode is activated. And what kind of mode it is? It is the mode that limits the shifting of your transmission to 3 first gears. So the first, second and the third gear. It will not shift to the fourth gear in this mode. And it's really often that we see this D3 without intending to press this button, so we press it unintentionally, and then you see this D3. And what you need to do is just to press this button once more. You press it and there is no D3 mode anymore, and your transmission is in a simple 5-speed mode now. So press the button again and you will have D3 mode on, and press it once more, you will not have it. So to turn off the D3 mode that you see on the dash, you will just need to press this button. You may press it when the car is on, you may press it when you're driving. It will not hurt the transmission, so just turn it off when you see this D3 on the dash and you don't need this mode.